Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, September 28th. We did see a sprinkle earlier this morning around 8 a.m., but since then we've seen skies clear out. Not expecting any more rain today, and conditions should remain dry as we go into tonight as well before we see shower and thunderstorm chances increase tomorrow, and expecting likely showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow evening. Let's take a quick look at our current surface analysis across the region. We do have some high pressure still in control across the southeast, helping to give us a south-southwesterly flow this morning. That flow will shift southerly as we go into the late afternoon hours. We did see a little bit of upper-level energy moving across the area this morning that brought just a sprinkle to the area. And we're going to be remaining dry throughout the remainder of the day and into tonight. Our next feature will be this cold front that's moving eastward currently across the Mississippi Valley and headed for the Appalachians. That's going to bring us some scattered shower chances starting tomorrow morning, and showers and thunderstorm chances will continue to increase as we go into tomorrow evening and especially into tomorrow night. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. You did see some abundant cloudiness earlier with that weak impulse that moved through the Delmarva, and now you're seeing quite a bit of clear sky out there across much of eastern Virginia and across the central and southern portions of the Delmarva. So we are expecting partly cloudy skies today, and then clouds will increase after midnight tonight, and then seeing those rain chances return as we go into tomorrow. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we're seeing southwesterly winds to the surface. Just above the surface, those winds are more southwesterly, around 20 knots or so through about 9,000 feet, increasing to 25 to 40 knots through 12,000 feet. Then those winds are shifting south-southwesterly, maxing out at around 45 knots at the 20,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning just above 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high of around 78 degrees, which is fairly seasonable for this time of year. Going to be seeing those south-southwesterly winds at 7 to 12 knots turn southerly this afternoon at 8 to 13 knots and slightly gusty, then south-southeasterly as we get towards the late afternoon hours and into much of the overnight. And then as we get into the mid-morning tomorrow, we'll see those winds shift up more southerly again, becoming 8 to 13 knots and gusty by mid-morning Tuesday. We are expecting a very mild low tomorrow of 68 degrees as we have some good moisture influxing into the area and a little bit of warm air advection with that southerly flow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently just seeing a few clouds at 2,000 feet, a few at 15,000, scattered at 25,000. Skies are going to remain mostly sunny as we get towards lunchtime and into much of the afternoon. Just a few clouds at 8,500, a few at 25,000 towards the end of the regular work day today. As we go into tonight, still going to be looking at just partly cloudy skies through about midnight, and then we'll start to see clouds in the mid-levels increase a bit, as well as seeing some scattered clouds near 5,000 feet. We will see some low clouds start to develop around 700 feet as well after midnight, and those will slowly increase, becoming scattered at 500, broken at 4,000, broken at 13,000 near sunrise tomorrow morning. We're also going to be seeing a chance of an isolated shower by that time, with the shower chances increasing, especially after 8 a.m. and throughout much of the day. And by 8 a.m. expecting a scattered cloud deck at 500 feet, broken at 4,000, and overcast at 10,000 feet. We are seeing tides just slightly above normal still along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at some model guidance this morning. This is one of our short-term models, going to start at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and we should be seeing some shower activity west of the bay at that time, and as we get towards 8 a.m., that's when we'll see some shower chances here across Wallops as well. As we go throughout the day, you'll see these shower chances will be increasing and just going to be pretty scattered throughout much of the day, and not seeing the bulk of the heavy rain arrive until we get to Tuesday night. This is Tuesday evening around 10 to 11, and that's when we're going to really start to see showers and thunderstorms develop across the region. And shower and thunderstorms will continue throughout much of the night for Tuesday night and throughout at least the first half of Wednesday as well. So let's take a look at our longer range here, starting this evening as we go into tonight. Things will remain dry, and then seeing those shower chances appear as we go into tomorrow morning. Seeing chances of scattered showers and perhaps a thunderstorm throughout much of the day tomorrow. And then we'll see a weak low develop along this front as it slows down while it approaches the mid-Atlantic coast. And due to that low giving some additional lift, we'll be seeing increased shower and thunderstorm chances, maybe even some heavy rain as we get into late Tuesday evening and throughout Tuesday night, seeing those shower and thunderstorm chances continue, and still continuing by the time we get into Wednesday morning, and at least through the first half of Wednesday we'll see those continue. We were expecting this impulse to be a little slower and continue to impact the area through Wednesday night, but a lot of the models this morning have taken a pretty dramatic shift and accelerated this upper level shortwave, and really hasn't moved out of here by tomorrow early evening. And then we'll see some weak high pressure then build in for Thursday, and that'll help to clear things out a bit, give us a launch opportunity for our NG-14 mission as we go on a Thursday evening. Still going to be looking at a little bit of some moisture and a weak impulse moving through. That could cause some thick cloud issues as we go into Thursday, but right now still looking like a fairly decent chance. Not expecting any rain showers until we get into the pre-dawn hours of Friday, and then Friday we'll see an additional impulse move along this upper level trough, and that will give us some more shower chances throughout much of the day Friday and into Friday afternoon and evening as well. Still going to be seeing that trough as we go, upper level trough as we go into the weekend, but we will be seeing some broad high pressure finally start to build in behind these impulses that will be giving us rain, and that will really help to clear things out for the week and giving partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies, as well as cooler conditions for this weekend. So let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Today's going to be partly cloudy with a high of 78, looking at that mild low of 68 tonight. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to be looking at thunderstorms, especially late, but we're going to be seeing scattered showers throughout the day with a high of 77. Another mild low expected for Tuesday night, only down to 67. Wednesday, going to be looking at rain and thunderstorms at least for the first half of the day, and then possibly seeing some of that cooler air behind that this cold front moving in, with that high only getting up into the low 70s for Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, we'll see things clear out a bit with some very weak high pressure building in briefly under partly to mostly cloudy skies. We'll see that low take a dramatic shift Thursday morning, going from the upper 60s down to the upper 50s by Thursday morning. Seeing a pretty pleasant day on Thursday under those partly to mostly cloudy skies with a high of 74. And then Friday, seeing one more impulse move through with that final cold front, giving another chance for scattered showers throughout much of the day Friday. Only around 30% chance though, and we'll see, does look like we'll see an early high on Friday of 67 with temperatures dropping in the afternoon. And then Saturday and Sunday we're going to be seeing a cooler air mass start to move in a little bit more fall-like, and seeing drier air moving as well to give us partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies for both Saturday and Sunday, and some pretty consistent temperatures this weekend. Temperatures expected to be around 67 degrees for both days, and lows around 50 degrees for Saturday morning and Sunday morning. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.